Let's walk into the jungle with the king. Be my guest.
Start. Okay. Hello children. So now.
So today we are going to learn about letter E. And E says the sound is F. And F is
games and animations. Let's start from that.
Would you like to create a game in Scratch? Okay, come on, let us join.
Sound and problem.
At R&D, math is fun. A circle, a sphere. A rectangle, a cuboid. It doesn't matter if you are at home, math is still fun.
एक बीज था गया बहुत ही गहराई में बोया उसी
आज हम बीज और पौधे की कहानी आप लोगों को सुनाएंगे।
Home is the essence of life.
The year 2021 is a year of change. A change in the teaching learning process for the children as well as the teachers. The new teaching styles, the new pedagogies, the new applications, and the new curriculum introduced this year will definitely help our children to cope up with the challenges of the uncertain future. The integration of subjects will enhance the knowledge and the understanding capacity of our children to help them to apply the knowledge gained practically in real life. We teachers will act as facilitators for our children and prepare them for their bright and challenging future.
What is a school improvement plan? A school improvement plan is a roadmap that sets out the changes a school needs to make to improve the level of student achievement and shows how and when these changes will be made. As the plan is implemented, schools continue to gather this kind of data. We are working towards our new vision of making sustainable citizens who are creative collaborators, critical thinkers, and above all, a balanced human. In order to give life to our dreams, we have introduced unit projects and ELPs, which help our students in learning by doing. To achieve our goals and objectives in this beautiful journey, we have imbibed augmented reality applications in our practice. In this process, we all are together, holding hands to turn into a grand success. We have all our stakeholders, that is our dear students, our supportive parents, and above all, my dedicated colleagues. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Nandita, mother of Master Arjun, a class 3 student of CMS Rajendra Nagar campus 2. Today I am here to express my views on the online classes that are being conducted by the school. See, as we all know that when this COVID-19 pandemic outbreak was declared in the year 2020 March, it created a lot of pressure on the parents, especially mothers, because see, the main feature that frames a student's life is his routine, and that routine completely went to the dogs. Now, the biggest challenge for us, the parents, was to provide a structured environment to our children, and this is where the online classes thankfully stepped in. Children stick to a routine, they are attending their assembly, regular subject classes, even hobby classes. and I'm really in awe of how these teachers have articulately like divided the entire class into groups, and they are attending the enrichment classes and their hobby classes so well, and they get the undivided attention of their teachers. They have been introduced to new age technologies, the apps like Padlet. They're working on the whiteboards and they're typing so well. My child's computer like typing has improved so well, even better than me. He's working on e-worksheets, whiteboards, e-quizzes. I'm really so thankful to the management, to the subject and non-subject teachers, to the principal ma'am for embarking on this technological platform and providing the continued teaching to our children. Thank you so much on behalf of all the parents.
Hello and Jai Jagat everyone. I am Tulika Datta of class 8th. In this session, we have experienced many changes in our branch in context to studies as well as co-curricular activities. Now, we have been taught to use different apps during our classes like Flipgrid, Padlet, quizzes and many more. We have a group where we share different types of activities done by us like speeches, face paintings, posters and so on. We do the flip learning in our classes, which focuses on learning by doing. The children work in collaboration and prepare slides and explain them by their own. To me, this is a very nice way of experiential learning, and hopefully this way of learning will help us a lot in our future. Thank you.